Alright, let's try this again. Had a little spill in aisle 3, right? Oh man. That was a train wreck. I'm gonna actually put that one up too. Yeah. Carson Wentz. Wentz. Are thou comest, and whence are thou goest? Lamar Jackson. He'll be good as long as he keeps being fast, because once somebody hits him real hard, Matthew Stafford. Patrick Williams. Is that a Hall of Famer right there? Jameis Winston, New Orleans Saints. Yeah. AJ Bow. Yeah. All right. Melvin Gordon. Fletcher Cox. Fly Eagles fly. Earl Thomas III. And Drew Luck, Rookie of the Year. So I guess that might be like a base insert card, I guess. So, Dak Prescott. Dake. Sam Darnold. Man, he mentioned something about ghost and people blow it all up, and that's all she wrote, right? So, Kerry Johnson. Jacob Brissett. Yeah, I like the base cards. They're pretty cool. No stats on the back, though, but there is a paragraph. Jimmy Garoppolo. Another Matthew Stafford insert. Well, insert. Mitchell Trubisky. Tyler Lockett. Yeah, I heard Mitchell Trubisky up in North Ohio would go up there, even when he was in the NFL and while he's in the NFL, and go up there and sign autographs for kids, and real fan friendly, I guess. That's what I hear. Delane Walker. Calvin Ridley. Conley. Here's an insert. Aaron Rodgers winning ticket. Chandler Jones. Evan Ingram. There's a lot of packs here. So, man, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packs and no autographs. So you're buying this thing by the packs. Whew.
You can't even open a door.
Reggie White. Adrian Peterson. Matt Ryan. You know, Joe Flacco, even today, I thought his prices, autograph rookie cards, would be more than what they are. He did win the Super Bowl and was the starting quarterback for the Super Bowl, but I guess, if I recall right, basically the defense pretty much won that, for the most part, won that Super Bowl, so I guess that maybe takes the value away. But Edelman. I don't know. Part of me wants to get a box of 2009. I think it's 2009 SP Authentic, and you can get his autograph rookie card in there. But I mean, chances are slim. Or you could pull a Mark Sanchez. I used to collect him. Mark Sanchez, and then he made some plays that were just bad. Josh Allen. Here is the dual insert card. I don't know. I gotta look at some more YouTube videos. I'm sure people are probably sitting around showing their cards and being like some sort of news broadcaster. Just what are they talking about? Corona, riots, and stock market, or I don't know. How about this stock market? It's going nuts. Crazy. I don't know what's going on. The flippers and the Derek Carr. Ezekiel Elliott. JJ. Aaron Rodgers and Andy Dalton, Cowboys. So that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packs and no. Imagine if you just pulled 7 packs and that's all you bought and no autograph. Whew. That'd be bad. Bad. And Minshew. Eight packs. Man, it's like the last 5 packs will be all autographs. I don't know. Ooh, this is kind of weird. Is this numbered? No. Oh, it is. Number 75. Russell Wilson. Insert card. Shoot. All right. Kirk Cousins, Ben Roethlisberger. Oh, here we go. Oh, man. Cracked ice. Benny Snell Jr. numbered to 23. Oh, man. I got a cracked ice. These are rare. Rare. Man, sleeve that puppy up, right? Oh, yeah, I actually have top loaders. Those are running out of stock. Man. That is killer. On-card autograph. I'd probably do it, right? Shoo. Probably be the hit of the box. cracked ice. Man. Benny Snell Jr. Actually, I think I got like a cheap version autograph rookie card of Benny Snell. I don't know. Well, I don't know if I'll ever get it. Coming from checkoutmycards.com. I don't know what's going on there. All right. So that is auto number 1. Drew Brees. Le'Veon Bell. He's like Pac-Man, right? Phew. Another Drew Brees. Cool Breeze. Calais Sanders. 324 pounds, 6 foot tall. So he's a. All right. Michael Thomas base card. Alexa off. I'll put him in a top loader, right? Oh, he's with the. How about that top loader? All right. Cracked ice. Crazy. There's Tom Brady. Last year in his Pats uniform. A lot of Pats. Ooh. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Benagoo. Got a Ben. All right, let's see. Trayvon Williams. So let's see. Rashawn Gray. Gary. Defensive end. Alrighty.